Hey everyone, so we thought we would bring you along as we go for a wander outside. Put it on, there we go. Oh, Ta. Ta? Oh, thank you. You've already got your shoes, see? Look, you've got your shoes on. We need this one. Alright. For me? Thank you. Good job, baby. Yeah, you're gonna carry it for me? Alright, let's go outside. Come on. Good job. Oh, you got nasturtium seeds from this plant right here. Can you show Mum? Oh, dropped it. Yeah. There we go. Some little nasturtium seeds that the plant have been dropping. Alright, where are we going? Got your basket of goodies?
No.
Oh, you found your rake. You go check on the garden? Yeah, the garden's over there. Come on. Look, what's over there? I know there's a weed up here that we need to get rid of. Oh, here it is. This guy here. Some grass. We've got a bunch of corn here that's just sprouted. It's very exciting. There's a flower. No, don't pick it. No. There we go. Gardening with children. Good fun.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Is that for me? Oh, thank you. The sacrifices we make. It'll be fine, that plant. Good view of the garden from here. Need to go plant some basil. Now we grabbed this container because it will be perfect to bulk plant some basil. Be careful there, baby. And now we have a child on the table. Little daredevil. Can you sit down, please?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see the camera, can't you? Don't jump on the table. Right, so we've got everything we need to plant these basil seeds. We've got a bunch of holes in the bottom now for drainage. Now we need to put some soil in. Not the nasturtium seeds. Come on. We need to put, whoop, there goes the camera. Not that way, this way. We're going to put the soil in, ready, like this. There we go. Good job, baby. There we go. There we go. Gotta go turn it on. Oh, is the water coming out? Ready? You've got to water. Wet the soil. We're planting sweet basil today. See these? You gotta sprinkle them on. Like this. Ready? Can you help Mummy? Or can we not rip that, please? Thank you. Put that back in the basket. Sprinkle them in. Yeah. Sprinkle them in. In here, not on the grass. In here. There we go. Good job. Alright. Yeah, we need to put a little bit more soil on top. Just a little bit. And we'll spray them with a bit more water. Ready? And rinse off our hands. Rinse, rinse. Can you rinse off your hands? Oh, other hand? Oh, no. Do you like the water? Come on, other hand.
Oh.
There we go. Oh, finished. Finished. Come on. Gotta pick some carrots. Let's see. We need some carrots for dinner. That's a pretty big one. Here you go, Bubba. You put it in the basket? Oh, here we go. A purple one. A little tiny snail in there. This guy. Oops. I think I just crushed his shell. You can go over the fence. Just so you know, that's a vacant block next door. So nobody's going to get snails in the garden from that. One more. There we go. You put that in the basket. Not a bad little bunch. We've got some bush beans starting to produce now. They'll be the first beans of the season. Check on these leftover seedlings. These are going to my sister-in-law's place because I had too many seedlings because I always overplant. Where are we going? We're going to go down to the big garden. Walking over treacherous terrain. Oh, upper days. We got a potato growing here. Can you see the cat? Look at him, sitting in the window. Hey, buddy. Come on. We're gonna go down to the big garden. Where are you going? It's a bit steep for you. What's that? Is that a dandelion? Oh, is that for me? Thank you. So the garden's changed a bit since last time that I've shown it. We have planted and trellised a bunch. You gonna do it again? Woo, yay! She has conquered the slight hill. Really need to move these. They've just been hanging on the fence for like 5 years and I haven't touched them. She has been doing this for like 3 minutes straight now. She's made herself a slide. Good job. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sometimes we just gotta pick them up. Alright. There was a ladybug on this zinnia the other day. I don't think it's there anymore. Yet another example of a small child in the garden. So there's that plant that's been destroyed, not completely. And then this one, she ripped the top 2 leaves off that, but that's okay. Gardening with children can be challenging sometimes, but it's a learning curve. What you doing? Sitting down together. Where are we going now, baby? We need to put these basil seeds in the sun, baby. Uh-oh, baby. Oh! Upper days. Your eyes? We gotta leave this here. So, I kind of wanted to talk a little bit about gardening with children. It's difficult. It's a new experience for me. Just watching her, make sure she doesn't hurt herself. She's climbing on the sleepers over there. So yeah, gardening with children, it's a learning curve. It's a new learning curve for me. I've gardened for since I was a kid, really, and I've never had a toddler join me in the experience. It has made me realize that there's going to be sacrifices and that patience is definitely needed. Things are going to take longer, especially with little hands helping you, and plants may not survive. There's at least 3 or 4 plants that have had little hands touch them, and they have pulled through, which is fine, which is great. I haven't actually lost any plants to her yet, which is good, but in the case that I do, I'm prepared for that. It's part of gardening with a toddler. Careful. Ultimately, your child is learning from being in the garden with you. They're learning how things grow. They're learning, well, at this stage, she's using her gross motor skills. She's using her, oh, careful. She's definitely using her gross motor skills right now. She's climbing on the table. Come here, Baba. You want to join me? Yep. Oh, you want to do Knuckles? Yeah, Knuckles. Good job. Come here. Come on. You want to say hi? Say hello. So, ultimately, they're learning and they're gaining experience from it. They're learning how our food grows. And that's worth so much more than sacrificing a couple of plants. Oh. There goes the camera. So I guess in summary, gardening with a toddler is difficult. You need patience and to be willing to sacrifice plants and time, but it is so rewarding and worth it. Okay, she's got my tripod. Thank you so much for tagging along today. We enjoyed your company and we'll see you next time. Okay? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you guys.